Hello everyone. Good evening.
Hello.
Uh, just give me a moment. We'll start soon. Okay. I guess we can start. I'll quickly present the slides. Yeah. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Credible Community Call. We are running this call under Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust. We follow antitrust policies, and all the contributors are welcome here. As usual, we'll do a quick recap what we have done, and do we have anything in pipeline? So those part we can discuss, and if we have any queries, we can cover. So. Uh, that was it regarding this. And yeah, in the previous calls, we discussed that we'll be discussing the roadmap for this year. But we are not ready. I mean, I'm not ready for that plan. So maybe we can discuss that in subsequent call. Uh, but we can have the updates what we have done uh, from previous call. So I guess on a high level, team is mostly working on the platform side and as well as the controller side to upgrade the YD for VC spec from draft version to spec 1.0. So that's under progress. So whoever is working on can give their updates once I'm done. Uh, so I'll just highly update everyone. Whatever I know, I can update, and then in detail we can give one by one the updates. And so that was one thing we are upgrading. And apart from that. Once the controller changes are done, we need to upgrade the platform as well based on that. um, on platform side also we'll have to make just some changes. Apart from that, we are also like working on the, I guess we have started with the ecosystem, creating ecosystems and managing the ecosystem lead, managing the ecosystem organization. So those activities, those, along those lines, the development are progressing. And I yeah, I guess that was it we are working on. And apart from that, there are also some progress on updating the mobile SDK on the Credible side. That is to make it align with the spec 1.0 as well as upgrading that to the latest version. So yeah, that was it on a high level, I guess. So we can have like some detailed updates from the team who are working on the respective features. So yeah, I guess I'm mostly done. If anybody has anything to share on the feature side.
Yes, Uncle. So leave this side. So from my side, I was started working on upgrading the Credo controller with the Credo version 6.1. So that part for specifically OID for VC related changes. So the Credo controller side are changes are done. So we have also started working on the uh, changes in the platform based on that Credo controller related changes. We are upgrading the payment, and currently we have done with the deed creation related parts, as well as completed the issuer creation related part, and currently working on the template creation related things. So that part is work in progress. So in few days we have completed platform side related changes as well. So that is the upgrade, upgrading the 6.1 version from the platform as well as Credo controller.
Okay. So here I have one question. Like this is for all. So before we like I mean, we are still working on upgrading the things along the line for YD for VC2. Do we have any specific things which we can do, like for which we can do a point release or maybe a minor release for that? Those features. So that will be good if we can have those things. So we may
Uh,
like I want just any of one us can list down the features and maybe in the next call we can decide to have the release on those features.
Sure. Thomas, maybe we can do that.
Okay. So once I guess that is done, we can um, by the time we do that, I think we'll have more clarity on the platform changes for upgradation. So maybe we can have the next release, which will be major release with this OIDC features. But there we have no, we'll not be able to do that unless we do the correction on Didcom side as well, right? Right now we are only working on OID for VC. We need to also work upon the Didcom features before we do the releases for major release.
Correct. And
Hmm.
we
Okay,
need to
okay. So
merge
it will
some.
take some time, I guess. Uh,
Yes.
hmm. Okay. Uh, Correct. Anything else from the team to
Hello,
update?
Pranali this side. So from my side, I've completed the intent template mapping and create intent VPR routes, and will be merging it on main branch by tomorrow. So it's in in review phase, and it will be merged under the ecosystem controller for now.
Uh, so, Pranali, this is the feature which I guess not everyone here will be knowing. So,
Okay. Okay.
hmm. So we may want to have some documentation where like how all these things are coming up with the ecosystem that we need to explain. So I would suggest you can prepare one document for community to understand what we are doing that line
Yes,
because
for
this is new and
ecosystem.
we are discussing first time here, right?
Yes, for ecosystem we have one document, so we'll create one with the other concepts like intents and templates.
Yeah. So it like so that everyone here can understand the context of the features, right?
Yes.
So, okay. Mm, anything else?
Yeah,
Anyone
hello. Hello. Yeah, so from my side, I was working on the ecosystem invite member workflow to invite members to the ecosystem as lead or member, and also manage them, like delete them from ecosystem, and also created a role guard specifically for the ecosystem to manage lead and members. So that's the update from my side. And currently, the invite member workflow is completed and currently under testing. And once done, I will move ahead with the next flow for the ecosystem. Yeah,
So
thank you.
this applies to you as well. We need to have some documentation. So maybe
Mm,
you both can, or maybe like individually can work on the document and share it. Mm, and in the next call, we'll maybe discuss in detail what is that feature is basically used for.
yeah, okay, sure.
Mm, okay. Any questions or any point we need to discuss or any query related to anything? Um, okay. I guess if we don't have anything else, we can maybe connect in the next call and discuss in details.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
See you in the next call. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Thank you.